Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the EVAC Purge Valve on this 2009 Cadillac CTS. All right guys, pop the hood. We're going to take off this cover here. So you need to take off the oil cap, and that just snaps off. So what's happening with this car is every time you fill it up, then after you fill it up, it doesn't start, right? Is that what's happening?
Yep. Cranks, but it won't start.
It cranks, but it doesn't start. So the purge valve is here someplace. So let's look for that. The valve is right on the passenger side. And this is the valve right here. It's held down by a 10 millimeter right up here. Unplug the wires. You just gotta lift this tab and then pull it out. I'm gonna unbolt it and then bring it out. We gotta disconnect this and disconnect this, okay? Don't loose the nut, the bolt. Right, now this thing could come over. All right. So unplug this guy. It's this little tab. I'm just gonna flip it over and this should come out. This guy. This guy, I think you have to pull this out. Let me get a screwdriver. We're just gonna lift this tab over. All right, the tabs over here, they broke coming out. I mean, they're really brittle. They've been on there for 15 years or whatever. Once you take them out, this just comes out. All right, guys, I had a little microphone problem, so I'm gonna voice over this part. That's the part number. Take out the new part and put it side by side next to the old part. Make sure they're the same. They look good, so let's throw them on. I'm gonna take the one hose, insert it. Once it's inserted all the way, you're gonna put in your clip. Since I broke mine, once I put in these clips, I'm gonna hold them in place with a zip tie. But once the clips are in place, it's not gonna go anywhere. Here I am putting on the zip tie. If you do this, just cut off the excess. Now you could put the hose back where it was underneath the crossbar and connect the other hose. To connect the other hose, you're gonna take the clip, move it over, and then you're gonna insert the hose all the way in and let go of the clip. And that's it. Now you could bolt it back in. Plug in your wires. That's it, that's what it looks like. You could put everything back together. To put on the cover, make sure that part goes into the pin. You need to take off the oil cap first. Line that cover up and just snap it in place. And put on your oil cap. That's it, we're gonna go to the gas station now. All right, we're at the local gas station getting some gas. So hopefully this time, after he fills it up, he won't have the cranking problem. So we'll see. All right, let's see if it starts. Hey, no problem. So that fixed it.
Good job, good job.
All right, guys, I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.